Welcome to the Cloud 2 version of TimeMoto. Logging into TimeMoto is quick and easy. Enter your email address and password. If this is your first time signing in, simply just click on the Sign Up button to get started. Pay templates configure payment rates, including overtime. They establish rates like time and a half or double time for extra hours worked. For example, if an employee works beyond their regular hours or on a bank holiday, the template applies the appropriate rate to their earnings. This ensures accurate calculation and fair compensation for additional work or bank holiday shifts. I will demonstrate how to add a pay template. In the Settings area, go to Pay Templates. Click on the Add Pay Template tab. For the basic information, add the name of the template. Add the employee's hourly rate. Add the currency. Then go to Next. Pay templates can include specific conditions for certain days of the week. For example, if an employee works on a Sunday, the template can apply a double time rate, add 2 for double time. This allows for customized rules based on weekdays, ensuring accurate compensation for employees working on specific days. Add a code of your choice. As you can see, there are a number of rules that you can choose from. Once this template has been created, you can add the template to an employee's profile. Choose the employee that you want to add this template to. Select the template that you have created. And save. Now that the pay template has been saved in the employee's information, they will automatically receive the correct overtime when necessary. To access more helpful videos, kindly subscribe to my channel and show your support by liking the content.